After 35 years in this industry, our number one goal is to help our customers grow. Your success is our priority.
BluTec Machinery is honored to represent MC Machinery and the level of support they provide for our customers. Here are just a few ways MC Machinery's service supports our customers. MC Machinery Systems hosts a number of comprehensive training and application consulting classes to ensure the maximum performance of all of our machines. Our highly skilled technicians will come to your facility to help keep your machine at maximum uptime. With MC Machinery's remote 360 production monitoring and support solution, you gain valuable insight into your machining processes via a web-based application that provides real-time data to increase productivity, improve efficiency, and reduce downtime.